Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll be sharing an web-based app that we can use to generate videos from articles, from blog contents or any articles. It can be a news article also. Yeah, so the app is called Lumen 5. Um, you have to buy subscription, of course, but there are free packages also that you can use to get in touch with the app, know a little bit more, and then you can of course purchase if you want. So yeah, this is one of the application that I use to generate videos, both for social media and for YouTube. So yeah, let's dive in. And I'll be sharing another app in the next video, so you can use any of these, of course. um, yeah, let's not lengthen the intro. Let's jump into the video. I'll be sharing you step by step how I do the work myself. All right, so let's log into the platform first. Usually I use Mozilla Firefox, so yeah. All right. You see, I already have an account. You have to create an account for yourself, of course. So let's create a new video. You see, there are a lot of themes here that you can use. Basically, the themes are kind of fixed, so you cannot like alter or do a lot of um, changing the themes because they are kind of fixed. Um, so there are not a lot of flexibility. This can be a con for someone, but it it has also some good sides, like you don't have to care about a lot of things, like the size of texts or what to use where, because most of the things are fixed in the themes. All right, let's go with a theme that I have worked before. Something like this, maybe. Yeah, I worked with this theme before. We'll choose the YouTube one. So next, you need to have a story. Um, Let us go to a news website and um, copy a story from there. Let's go with this one. Um, I'll be just copy and pasting the story. So yeah. Alright, let's start making the video. So the first slide is a title one, so I will keep this theme. So what we can do is, you see as the text is a bit long, it is not, I cannot like increase the text size. Yeah, here it looks good now. All right, so here is the preview button that we can click to see how the video, how the slide will look. Somehow it is not playing back right now. The text size button, using this button you can increase or decrease the size of the text. This button you can use to change the color of the texts. So yeah, I'll go with the deep blue. From the font you can change the font. You can see there are not a lot of variations here. Usually it is fixed with the theme. Generally there are one or two fonts here. So yeah, that's it. Then let's take the next slide. So I'm copying the text. I will add a new scene by clicking here. So now I've been shown a lot of designs. Which design I want to take or which design I want to keep here. So let's say I want to use this design. So all right, somehow it is not working. Let me refresh the tab once and let's see what the problem here is. Let's use a different browser. I think there's something wrong with my browser here. Let me use Chrome, Lumen 5, login. All right, yeah, I think it will work better. So let me use this size here. You can see in this slide it is talking about Sophie Wossex's ring compared to Meghan Markle. So let me input a relevant image here. Yeah, something like this, as something like this maybe. Save image as, downloads. Alright, the problem is the same video was open on another browser, so it was creating some issues. I've closed that browser. I think it will work better now. Okay, now how can we input images here? To input external images, what you need to do is click on media. You can just drag and drop the image that you want to use, and you can use some tag here. So I will add the tag Sophie Wessex. So what it will do, it will help me in my next slides. If I want to use this image, I can just search typing this tag, and this image will show up. Alright, let's click on upload. The image is uploaded, and I can just drag and drop this image here. Alright, let me see why it is not showing up. Alright guys, you can see the image is showing now, and let's go to the next slide. So Sophie Wessex wed Prince Edward in 1999 while Meghan Markle married Prince Harry in 2018. Let me copy the text, and if I click on the plus sign here, you can see a new slide is automatically created. You can do that, of course. And then it also picked up a media that we don't really like. So what we can do here, we can download an image, Sophie Wessex marriage, save images, save, go to media, upload the image, and upload. Now we can just click on the image and it will be showed here. Alright, let's go to the story. Let's copy the next text. Now what you can do, instead of just clicking here, you can duplicate this slide by clicking here, and then of course you need to change the text. I have changed the text now, and here you can see the highlighted color of this text is a bit off. It is highlighting some words that I don't want to highlight. So what I can do, I can select the words and I can clear the highlight. Alright, let me increase the font size a little bit. Okay, so let's say here we want to use Meghan Markle's wedding image. Let me search for that. Let's say we want to use this image, save images, and you need to go to media and drag and drop the image. We can add Meghan Markle, we can add Prince Harry. Here is an option to create a folder. So what does a folder do? You can upload or store similar kind of photos in a folder. So I can create a folder named Meghan Markle and just Meghan Markle Prince Harry. Alright, what it will do, in your next videos, if you want to use images of Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, you can just go to the folder and use an image that you like. So let me click upload. So here is the image. If you just click on the image, it will be set here. Let me go to the story. So what we can do now is we can create the slides first with the text, and then we can change the images. That way I think it will save us quite some time. So it will be the next text. Let me click on that. I don't like this slide, so I will delete that. And what I will do is I will duplicate this scene and I will copy the text and just paste it. Then again I will duplicate it. I will copy the text and paste it. I'll duplicate this again and paste this. I will fast forward this part so that you do not get bored. What I can do here is I can duplicate this slide. I can remove the last part of the sentence from this slide, as the sentence is getting quite a bit long. You have to understand about the audience who want to read the sentences, so you should not make a sentence extremely large or big. Alright, so then from the next slide I will delete the first part of the sentence. Alright, let's go ahead. The story is a little bit bigger than I expected. All right. Okay, so I am done with the text and the slides. Now what I need to do is I need to add images in each and every slide of this video. All right, so let's start from here. Charlotte White, head of design at 77 Diamonds. Let's see if we can find her image. So what you need to keep in mind here is you need to use images of person. If a person is mentioned, that is the best here. I don't think I can figure out who is the real Charlotte White that is discussed here. So what I can do here in this case is use an image of diamonds. So just search for diamonds. All right, let us use something like this, media. And here what I forgot to mention, you can go to GIFs and you can search for images here. So in the GIFs you can search for like diamond, I don't know what is happening here. All right, so we were actually inside the Meghan Markle folder, that's why it was not showing. Here we can use this one or this one. We may use this one. Let us preview the Not bad already. All right, let's go move on to the next slide. Charlotte began the Countess of Wessex's engagement ring given to her by Prince Edward. Okay, let's go to the uploads. We can use this image here. All right. Certainly fitting for a countess, Gerard has been synonymous with some of the most iconic and precious jewelry in existence. Let's go to the chiefs. Let's use this one. I don't think it is looking good. Yeah, we can use this one. All right. She continues, it appears to feature a large 2-carat oval diamond. Let us search for the Gerard, if it's a particular diamond that they're talking about. Yeah, I think this is the particular diamond that they were talking about. All right, let us upload the image here. As you can see, this image is actually a bit zoomed in, so we have the option to change the design of the slide. Let us check if we can find a better design that suits this image. Let's click on the swap design. We can use this slide, this design. Here you can see the image is fully featured in this slide. All right, yeah, it looks far better than the previous one. A 77-carat diamond and engagement ring of this style and quality. I think we have to use the design of the previous slide and the image and the previous image in this slide also. In this case, I will select this design. Oops. Swap design. Yep, let's choose this one. For the media, let's use this image here. Engagement ring specialist with clarity explained. Let us go to GIFs or library. Let us search for engagement ring. We can use this one. Or this one. Okay, given that the scale goes from D to Z, D is the highest or rarest and most expensive diamond color. All right, let's search for diamond. The footage that are marked marketplace, it cannot use them, so yeah, I don't think, yeah, we can use this one. All right, a D diamond has no visible tint of color whatsoever. Let's use something like this one maybe. Let's see. I'm not, yeah, I can use this one better. This is the most prized or valuable diamond in the diamond color of the world. We can use this one. It is considered colorless by industry trade terms. We can use I'm not sure, maybe this one. Yeah, this looks good. There are no eye distraction that impede the diamond's light performance and sparkle. Alright. You see, most of the good images you need to buy. You can use this one, of course. Alright, the white color makes the diamond look absolutely stunning and desirable. How about this one? Alright. It is not working again, so you need to be patient with this software. This is not, Premiere Pro or FCP, and it is not, of course, you won't find that much stability here. So yeah, you need to be patient. I don't want to lengthen the video, so I want to finish the video here. What I want to show you is there are two buttons up here. One is preview. You can preview the video, however, or as much as you have done, you can preview your work, and then you need to go to publish. You need to click on publish, and the video will render, so it will take some time. So you can go for a coffee or take a little walk in this time, and after rendering the video will download automatically. So I will end the class here. In the next class I will show you what you need to do with the video, how you need to edit the video in Premiere Pro to further polish it for publishing. Yeah, and there will be another class on voiceover editing. I will show you how I edit voiceovers in Adobe Audition. Alright guys, that's it for today. See you in the next class. Bye bye for now.